So just got this remote start. It's supposed to be plug and play. I have a 2019 F-150 STX. Supposed to work for 2015 and up F-150s and other selected Ford vehicles. Here's the instructions. Supposed to put it into the OBD 2 port. That's like right under the steering wheel. So about to see how this works. Right here. This is the part right here. So I was able to put this in and turn it on. On part. There's a green indicator that will come on and it will cut off. Once it does that, take the key out and we'll see if this thing works. So we got it in here, so let's test it out. Lock, unlock, lock. Hey. So, say to drive, just turn the key to the on position so you don't have to crank it up. Also, if you're inside the vehicle and if you press down on the brake after you remote start it, it will shut the car off as well. So I will drop the I will put the link where you can purchase this automatic start, this remote start. That'll be great for the summertime, great for the winter time as well. And you can still retain your keypad. That's all I got for right now. Thank you, and hope this video helps.